guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so guys, I'm super hungry, and I want to make a smoothie. Yes. And what do I have today? I have a banana, I have apples, I have milk. Yes, and I have mango. Yeah, so I have not tried out this kind of smoothie before. It's my first time doing it. I hope it will come out and nicely, or I hope you guys won't be disappointed with the outcome. Yes, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Yes, for more videos. Yes, so guys, and I guess all of you are able to see me right here. Yeah, so I made this t-shirt for myself, and it says Alice Amy subscribe. Yeah, so this is for my vlogs. Yeah, so I hope many times you'll be seeing me putting on this t-shirt on. So if you want to win yourself one from me, of course, just make sure that you subscribe to my channel and you ask as many people as possible to subscribe, comment and share. Yes, tell me what's your amazing video of all the videos that I've done, which is nice for you, which one you like. And yes, and the other thing is I do always premiere my videos, and I always release videos every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday. Yes, okay, I meant to release twice in a week, that is Monday and Friday at 3 p.m. Yes, but sometimes I do release on Wednesday, but that's not a must. But at least make sure that you're the first person to see my videos. That is every Monday and every Friday, and that is at 3 p.m. Yes, and I'll be choosing at random a winner. Yes, yeah, so I hope you guys you'll be able to take it up, and I hope I'll be able to announce the winner. I don't want to waste much more time. Let us just begin and do this smoothie, and hopefully it will come out like I said, because it is my first time to do it. Let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel kindly. Yay! So we are going to use one banana, and then we are going to put this whole apple, and then milk. Like I always told you, on this channel we learn to live healthy and much better with the little that we have. You don't need to have much to spend. You don't need to have 1,000 bob for you to treat yourself out, and you can, even with what you have, you can still smile every day. Life is too short to live in worries. Always remember that. Yeah, so I bought my milk at 20 bob, and this is 10. Oh no, this is 5. So this is 10, and this was at 30. So how much are we spending today? We are spending and then this was at 60. But of course I won't use the whole of it. Like for the banana, I'm going to use one, and so far this is a 50s, 55, and then okay, probably 60. Yes, still, so we are still spending almost what we spent the other time. And let me get started. guys, we are done. So I'm now going to have my breakfast, and I really hope this has come out the way we wanted it. Yeah, so if you're doing it with me, or if you wanna try it out, tell me in the comment section below what was the experience. Yeah, so I won't take much time. Let me see how it is. It is good. Yeah, tell me if you're doing this with me. Just leave your comment and tell me how did yours come out. Was it an experience? So I wanted to do I wanted to do a banana apple smoothie, but then I thought about adding a mango, and then I'm like, why can't I try this out? After all, the people who tried first, they never knew what the outcome would be. Yeah, so it's not a bad one. I won't go any further for this video. Allow me end it here, guys. And I've been doing different recipes for the smoothie. That's basically because I don't want to have the same smoothie today and tomorrow. So I'm just trying out different types or different recipes. However, like I told you in the previous videos, is that my focus is I'm working on gaining weight from my body. Yeah, so I want to have like 65 kgs. Yeah, so that is why I'm doing all this here. So guys, if you also want to gain weight, you can try out these recipes that I'm trying out here. So because they are for gaining weight. And if you want to lose weight, tell me in the comment section if you really need a video about losing weight and what kind of smoothie you can have for losing weight. Yeah, so I don't want to waste much more time for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, guys. Yeah, so and kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And remember, by doing that, you are making my dream come true for the content creation. Yes, guys. Yeah, so I thank you so much for keeping it up here. See you in the next videos. Yeah, so but you can drop a compliment. How do I look? It seems like I feel like I'm gaining weight. Yeah, it seems like this smoothie is not just lying to me. I'm really gaining weight. I feel. Tell me that in the comment section anyway. Yeah, let's leave that and leave a compliment and tell me how do I look. Yeah, so see you guys in the other videos. And like I said, Team Alice Emmy, you're here to win this for yourself. See you guys. Baraka.